Okay students, as we have done two theorems till now. The first theorem was radius is perpendicular to tangent at point of contact, and the second theorem is tangents drawn from an outer point to a circle are always equal. Now we will do more questions related to these theorems. Exercise 10.2, question number 1. The question is, from a point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 24 सेंटीमीटर. एक पॉइंट Q है जिससे टेंजेंट डाला है एक सर्कल पे जिसकी लेंथ है 24 सेंटीमीटर. And the distance of Q from the center is 25 सेंटीमीटर. ये है सर्कल. Distance of Q from the center of the circle is 25 centimeter, and find the radius of the circle. इस सर्कल की रेडियस फाइंड आउट करनी है. And the first length is given from a point Q. The length of tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. Q से मैं एक ही टेंजेंट डाल देता हूँ इस सर्कल पे. सपोज ये टेंजेंट है QR, इसकी लेंथ है 24 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. नाउ एज वी हैव टू फाइंड रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल, लेट अस ड्रॉ द रेडियस OR. And in order to find the length of radius of the circle, we can easily see that ORQ is a right triangle. Why it is a right triangle? Because OR is radius, RQ is tangent, and radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Solution. Since OR is perpendicular to QR, therefore ORQ is right triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, OQ square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to OR square plus QR square. And as we have to find OR, so let us take QR on the other side. OQ square minus QR square is equal to OR square. So OR square is equal to OQ square, OQ 25 square minus QR square. Now see, if it is not easy for me to find the square of 24, then there is an easy method to find the difference of these two squares. We can easily note that difference of 25 and 24 is 1. So using formula of a square minus b square, this is equal to 25 plus 24 into 25 minus 24, and this is equal to 49. So OR square is equal to 49. This implies that OR is equal to square root 49 is equal to 7. So the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. So in this question we have used first theorem, which states that radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Now see second question. Question number 2, exercise 10.2. See the figure. पॉइंट T से दो टेंजेंट ड्रॉ की है, TP और TQ। OP और OQ रेडियाई ऑफ सेम सर्कल है, और एंगल POQ 110 डिग्री का है। वी हैव टू फाइंड एंगल PTQ। सॉल्यूशन: since angle POQ given 110 degree, again see OP is radius, PT is tangent and P is point of contact, therefore OP is perpendicular to PT. Similarly OQ is perpendicular to QT. OP is perpendicular to PT and OQ is perpendicular to QT. Why? Because radius is perpendicular to tangent at point of contact. Therefore, angle OPT is equal to angle OQT is equal to 90 degree. Now see OQTP. OQTP is a quadrilateral, and in this quadrilateral we know three internal angles, and we have to find fourth internal angle. So we can use the angle sum property of quadrilateral. So angle O plus angle P plus angle Q plus angle T is equal to sum. What is sum of internal angles of a quadrilateral? 360 degree. So angle O is 110 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree plus angle T is equal to 360 degree. 110 plus 90, 200 plus 90, 290 degree plus angle T is equal to 360 degree. So angle T is equal to 360 degree minus 290 degree is equal to 70 degree. So in this way again we have used the same theorem that radius is perpendicular to the tangent at point of contact.